Hi everyone, this is Dr. Gambhir. Hope you're having a wonderful day. Wanted to talk to you a little bit about PRP or platelet-rich plasma. So PRP is essentially taking one's own blood, and specifically a component of that blood, and injecting it back into the skin to help create more healing and rejuvenation in the body. So let's get a little bit more specific. PRP, as I said, stands for platelet-rich plasma. So when your patient comes in, we'll actually draw whole blood from their arm, and we'll spin that blood down in a specialized machine, isolating just the platelet components of that blood. We will then activate those platelets and inject those platelets back into the skin. When I injure myself, for example, if I cut my arm, blood rushes to that area, and the platelets send out an all-call signal to bring healing to that area. If we inject those platelets into any body area without the presence of an injury, that all-call signal still goes out, and all this healing power is rushing to the area. But if there is nothing to heal, then the rejuvenation process starts. The PRP material can be put into the body in several ways. It can be microneedled in for more superficial rejuvenation. It can be injected in for deeper rejuvenation at the depth of deeper scars, even at the depth of muscle and bone. And by doing it at multiple levels, we're really rejuvenating at all different levels, helping to create more collagen. This can be a combination approach in the face to anti-aging, in addition to Botox, to fillers, or it can be a combination to a more natural approach using Thermage and Sculptra by really just rebuilding your natural collagen. PRP procedures are generally recommended 3 to 4 times a year to get the maximal benefit from these procedures. The healing time for PRP is typically 2 to 4 days. You can have some bruising due to the injections of the PRP material. You can have some minor to moderate swelling afterwards. So we generally recommend 3 to 4 days of healing after these procedures. And then after that, covering with makeup usually is pretty easy. We'd love to talk about it more in the office with you during a no-charge consultation. We look forward to meeting you. Thank you.